Teachers can use the Task Manager to create a quick task. Select the Task Manager icon from the dashboard. Give the task a name. Select the Quick Task option. Unlike a directed task, with a quick task, all students progress along the same activity path. Use the drop-down arrows to select the text, chapters, and section. The list of activities available for the selected section will appear on the right. Check the box next to the required activities. Click Next. The selected activities will be shown as icons. At this point, teachers can choose to assign the quick task or add other activities by dragging the activity icons up to the line. Assign the task by clicking on the Assign button. Tasks can be assigned to multiple classes or individuals within a class. To assign to multiple individuals in a class, uncheck the All Students box and multi-select by holding down Control or Command on a Mac. Students will be notified they have a task to complete.